please. Let me explain. There's something I have to tell you.
What is that you have to tell me that we can't talk about it right now? But why did you refuse to sign?
Kofi, please, can we just get home and then we'll talk about this? You understand better, okay? Please.
We have potential clients in the meeting room.
Clients?
Yes, husband and wife team.
Really?
Yes.
I just spoke to Kofi. He didn't make mention of that.
They came in barely 10 minutes ago.
Okay. Please put this in my office.
Okay.
Welcome back to Ghana. Interesting place, actually. Right on cue. My lovely wife and partner, Ama Ghana. Our new clients, George and Lydia Gansa.
Happy to meet you, George.
Happy to meet you too.
Happy to meet you, Lydia.
Same, Mama.
Solutions came in highly recommended.
Wow, really? Who recommended us? Please tell us so we can go say thank you to them personally.
No. If I tell you, then I'm going to have to kill you.
We don't want to do that, do we?
No.
Well, we very love our clients when they have actually traveled before, and do believe that the quest to develop the motherland requires that all able.
I think I'm ready for this.
Are you sure? Or is it because I'm traveling?
I want us to share something very special before you leave. Something that will bind us together.
Are you here with me? Did you hear what I just said? It isn't all there, though. There are things you can do to enhance your chances.
Come back for me soon. Don't leave me here all alone.
Definitely. You know you're my #1 priority. Just finish your degree first, alright?
I miss you already.
Mwah.
My darling George, I miss you so much. Especially now that I have a part of you growing inside me. I'm happy, but sad at the same time.
Like I said, a lot can be done physiologically or biologically to reset things. Are you here with me? Did you hear what I just said? It isn't all there though. There are things you can do to enhance your chances.
Who directed them to solutions? Could it be a coincidence? Should I tell Kofi that George and I dated? No. Men can be difficult. Kofi is a very nice person, but very jealous when he has cause to. And that could affect the upcoming business with them.
Solutions, solutions,
Thanks for coming.
That's fine. How long has it been?
It's been 5 years since I last heard from you.
I'm sorry, I was working on a few things and...
It's okay. I mean, I'm happily married and you have a lovely wife, so no regrets. It's fine.
Thank you.
It's rather unfortunate we have to meet under these circumstances. But we have to find a way to forge forward.
Honestly, I've been thinking about that too. And I think it would be best if we let sleeping dogs lie.
You think so?
I mean, if you don't tell him and I don't tell her, I mean, we could stick to what brought us together and won't ruffle any feathers.
I don't think it's a good idea.
Why?
In fact, look, we have to get this out of the way. Because business is all about trust. And if we can hide something as sensitive as this from our spouses, then we would have breached their trust.
Perhaps, but listen, Amma, if my wife knew about us, she wouldn't want to continue with the deal in the first place.
It's rather unfortunate, but she has to know.
Well, this is exactly what I've been trying to avoid. Look, the guy who recommended solutions to us assured us we're going to get the best of services. And seeing you there reassured me as well. Because I can vouch for your credibility. And I mean, I know my money is in good hands. But Amma, my wife, she's very loving and jealous in equal measure. If Solutions was run by the sister to someone I've dated before, she wouldn't want to have anything to do with it. How much more you, someone I have actually dated?
We are both married.
You think marriage is good enough to stop a jealous woman?
Look, I don't know about your wife, but I am telling Kofi. I can't break this sacred trust between us. I can't. I mean, let's put ourselves in our spouse's shoes and ask if this was done to us, would we be happy? Look, the earlier we get this out of the way, the less complicated things get.
I understand. But can you at least give us some time to think about it? Please.
George, the earlier we get this out of the way, the less complicated things get.
I'm only asking for a few days.
few is relative.
A week?
A week? George, you have 3 days. 3.
What? Alright, fine. 3 days.
No. I can't keep this secret for another day. I don't owe George any obligations to continue to keep this secret from Kofi. I have to tell him when Akwele goes for Akomapa, and I'm alone with him. Come in, Akwele.
Madam, please, it's time to pick up Akomapa.
It's fine.
Please, out. Thank you, madam.
Did you just knock? Well, I called George twice this morning, but he didn't pick up.
You called him?
Yes. I called him because I wanted his input on some aspects of the document we are putting together for him.
Oh, okay. It's fine.
But there's something. Are you worried? Is something somewhat wrong with you?
You know, Akwele is going to get Akomapa, so I'll get the door.
What the hell was that?
Hello, Mama Kande.
Your one and only Kande.
How are you?
Fine, I'm fine, thank you. Where's Akwele?
Oh, she's going to get Akomapa from school.
That Peninsular boy.
He's just too smart.
Come. So what can I offer you?
That your cocoa drink you give me anytime I come here.
You seem to be enjoying it, eh?
I like it, papa.
Come in.
George!
Hadria's here.
Oh, okay. I'll be with you soon. It's Lydia. Mrs. Banser. I was trying to reach George, but he wouldn't pick up, so I had to call her.
Anyway, I'll be with Hadria in the meeting room, okay?
Hey, Han. Oh, hey. Can we discuss what you wanted to talk about earlier?
Solutions,
So, I mean, Kofi, I believe you've put together a very interesting mix of investments. Because I, for one, am particularly thrilled about the partnership with the greenhouse lady.
Partnership is the way to go. I said, not only does it allow us to spread the risk, but it gives us immediate access to industry and expertise.
Yeah, exactly, which is why I'm very happy about the agribusiness and the cutting edge. I mean...
Are you all right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Hello, Mr. Banzer.
Amma, we've been expecting you. It's a done deal. The contracts have already been signed.
What?
Listen, the Banzers have agreed to our proposal. They've signed their part. I was waiting for you to come so we can sign our part.
No!
Wait, come again?
Where is Lydia?
She's in the States. She should be back by next week. I mean, that shouldn't be a problem, should it?
I am not signing this until Lydia gets back. Kofi, please. Let me explain. There's something I have to tell you.
What is it that you have to tell me that we can't talk about it right now? But why did you refuse to sign?
Kofi, please, can we just get home and then we talk about this?
Mama.
Kofi, I am so sorry.
You kept this away from me for weeks. Now that's wicked.
Kofi,
Why didn't you tell me the minute to walk out of the offices?
because I was afraid.
Afraid? Afraid of what? Or better, of whom? Afraid?
Solutions, Solutions,
Adopia, now you think I'm trash?
No. Don't use words like that on yourself, my dear. It's a good thing you told him. Kofi is tough, but I know how his mind works. He is going to analyze things as usual, and he'll come to understand why you have hesitated in telling him. Okay? The key thing is that you came out, where many would have balked. Pull yourself together. This is not the end of the world, unless you make it so.
Adopia, I'm the worst person in the world. I have destroyed everything we have. He's given me nothing but love and kindness. God, the sweetest man I've ever known. And what have I done? I just keep giving him pain and hurt after hurt.
No, that is not true. I would not be here with you if I didn't think you were good enough for my son. All right? His past few years with you are the happiest I have seen him. It's obvious he has a spring in his step when he's close to you.
Now he thinks I'm a fraud.
You made a mistake in the past. That's all.
Adopia, you should have seen the look on his face. I've hurt him so much. He just got up and just walked out of here.
Please. Aquili's report. Everything went very well in the office today. You still haven't touched the soup.
Adopia, I can tell there's something wrong with Kofi. I can feel it in my stomach.
Yamin Pengu. Tasty. Try it.